Programming a flip key for your 2011 to 2015 Chevy Cruze is a straightforward process you can do yourself, saving money on dealership fees. This involves reprogramming the car's computer to recognize the new key fob, enabling remote functions, and syncing the transponder chip for ignition. You'll need a working key, the new flip key, preferably an original GM key, and optionally an OBD2 scanner for troubleshooting. Ensure your car's battery is fully charged before starting to prevent interruptions during the programming. This method uses the car's built-in system to program the key. This process takes only 5 to 15 minutes. Enter your Cruze with a working key and turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the unlock button on the working key fob until the doors lock and unlock. This typically takes 15 to 30 seconds. Insert the new unprogrammed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Press any button on the new key fob to begin the programming process. You can repeat this process for up to 8 keys. Finally, test all functions of the new key to ensure it's working correctly. If you encounter issues, an OBD2 scanner can help clear any error codes. It is recommended to use original GM keys for best results, and avoid counterfeit keys that may lack proper RFID chips.